guys, welcome to my vid. Today we're gonna play Roblox, but I am playing on laptop. I just searched on YouTube how to screen record on my laptop, so I know how. So I can play better now. Let's choose any game that we want. Let's play Grow Garden first. Okay, so we're here. By the way, I have eggs. Yeah, they're ready now. Oh no, dice. Ow. Hmm. Want to sell me that? And let's get crashing. Oh, giant ant. Bro, come on, please. I just want it. What? Wait, let me mute this mic. Okay, I'm back. Oh, okay, almost. Let's feed him using marble blossom. Feeding time. Okay, my job is done here. Let me switch game. I'll be back later in this game. Let's see. Let's play on the defense. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Oh wait a minute. You know, I always get lag sometimes. How is my megalodon doing? Bro, that is so small. Petrified. Where's my worm? Feeds. Fish is full, massive fish. Sell. Let's see the marketplace. Let's see what they got. Nothing good. Let's buy an ink bucket. It's on stock. Yep, it's on stock. Let's buy it. And the fish bomb. Red horns. Okay, that's common. First red horn. Squid egg. And worm. Okay, switch games. Now we're gonna play for today's video on the defense. Okay, the title of this video playing Roblox, so that means I can switch to any game I want. Still loading, but I see admins. And I got disconnected. Let's see if I can defeat the boss. I'm gonna do face reveal when I hit 50 subs. I'll make a bit that I'm playing with my camera on. Why am I always getting disconnected? Okay, I think it's good. I'm just wasting my time from the loading screen. What? What's happening? Whoa, on the defense Tycoon has least players right now. Like about 494. What happened? Oh, finally. Finally. Okay, we're ready. Ready. I'm gonna open the chat so I can see. Kill Void Zombie. In part 2, we're gonna play Twistex. I don't know if it's Twister.
Gabby 724, Roger. Send a maintain 2000.
We're gonna use the big boys. Let's drive a tank and explore others players. Alright. No. Yes. Black Ops. Target acquired. Oh shoot, I crashed. Oh my gosh! Ooh. Alright. The zombies are getting... What? This guy... Let's explore other people's base and protect them. Is my wheel broken? I see something over there that is damaged. Let me go there. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry, bro. Let me kill it. I guided the zombies over here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should run. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Someone's missile truck is heavily damaged. Let me help him. Vehicle spamming. Before fighting the car. Oh my gosh, bro is good. Let me kill them. Coming in hot. Hot style. Let's go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And he's gone. Go back to the tank. Okay, the vid reached 10 minutes, so I'll end this vid and record again. Bye! See you at part 2.